Ayun, so narinig nga natin about when it comes sa technical side of things sa condominium dito sa Emerald Suites. And right now, nandito tayo with Ma'am Sally, our Builders Relationship Manager na could share more a little sa Emerald Suites, why our buyers will going to invest dito. Ano pong masasabi niyo sa mga buyers natin na to encourage them to buy here?
Yeah. First, the location.
Okay.
It's right along, almost, no?
Mm.
Sa Friendship Highway.
Highway.
And then going to the city, very, what do you call this? It's
Accessible.
very accessible, yeah. And the place is, basically, it's a corner property.
Oo, correct.
At, and given this project, it's just very timely, especially for a lot of mga, what do you call this, mga Gen Zs.
Gen Z, mga millennials.
Millennials who would want to have a place of their own, di
Yes,
ba?
correct.
So, and it's a good investment per se, kasi especially now, at this juncture that's launching, you can see this.
Nga, dami nating mga promotion and discounts.
So we have, it says here, we have 700,000 discounts. And what are this?
And for the ngayon, no, 25,000 for our reservation instead of 50.
It should be 50,000 for this initial launching lang. 50,000, but then it was made 50%. That is only 25,000.
Yes.
25,000 down payment. Well, as we have said, and then what else?
Ang dami nating mga discounts that we could
Ang
offer.
daming discount. One of which, if you buy now, is a 20% off the total contract price.
Wow. So, but those are for the selected units.
For yeah.
Yes.